Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's me, Miss Afshin, and today I'm here for you on the topic of the physics and its role. Today we will discuss what is physics and how it plays a major role in our daily life and how it is connected with the other sciences. So let's we get a start. Physics. Physics is the branch of science that involves the study of the physical universe, matter, energy, and how they are related. In this branch of science, we discuss about this whole complete physical universe, that how this universe is made up from, what factors are responsible for it, and how it came into the existence, what is matter and what is energy, and then we discuss their relationship, that how they are related to one in other. So all these studies involved in the branch of science which we call physics. So physics is as a whole the study of matter, energy and their mutual relationship. If we see the importance of the physics, so physics is the study of physics is to understand the world around us, the world inside us, and the world beyond us. It means that the physics is getting physics inside in our body and as well as in our outside. If we see that in our daily life, so there are the all the inventions and all the facilities comes from the study of the physics. If we see in our daily life, we and just cut down the electricity of our life, we can say that if we cut down the electricity from our daily life, so we see that all our work gets stopped. It means that we wholly solely dependent on the physics. Physics made the life of the person very much facilitated, and if we see that the physics covers the 99% facilitation in the man's life, and although it makes the person lazy as well, it means that it makes the person lazy in the sense that by the means of the lots of the invention, that every work is done by the some kind of the machine. So that's why physics covers a wide range of phenomena from the smallest subatomic particle to the largest galaxies. If we see in our daily life, so we get that if we take a small start from the smallest particle, atom, and then we move up to the largest galaxies, it means that if we move beyond the limits of the earth and we study everywhere in the universe, so there is only physics. Then physics and science, it means that how the physics is connected with the rest of the sciences like the geography, chemistry, biology, engineering, environmental sciences, agriculture, geology. So in these all we discuss about the physics, that how it has the relationship with the other sciences. So physics is at the root of every field of science. Most of the major developments in the chemistry, biology, geology, agriculture, environmental science, engineering, and medicines have been made by physics. Physics and technology. The next topic we come across, that is the physics and technology. Physics and technology. Technology means physics is concerned with the gathering of knowledge, while the technology means the technique which led the human to use that knowledge for the practical purposes. Okay, so physics and technology are closely related, however, they are different from each other. Physics is concerned with gathering knowledge and organizing it. It means that physics gives the knowledge about an object, about anything, which we call the system. It gives the knowledge, it collects the data about anything, but the technology lets the human use that knowledge for the practical purposes, while physics is behind every technology. So therefore, behind the physics Therefore, physics has a key role in the progress of the humankind and in the improvement of quality of living. Okay, when we see that the physics had a great relationship with the other sciences, physics has also related with the different fields, and we said that the physics is the root of every field of science. Then we see that the physics and technology are what? So we discussed that the physics is the knowledge and technology is the technique, is the process, but by means of which we utilize that knowledge. Now we see that what is the impact of physics on our society. So in our society, lots of inventions are which we use, lots of the instruments, lots of the appliances which we use in our daily life, yeah, which plays a vital role in the human lives, is that of because of the physics. So the impact on society in this category, we see that physics provide the basic understanding for developing the new instrumentation for the medical application, such as computed tomography. In medical sense, which we call, the shortcut name is word CT scan, in which we said that every person, if he gets some kind of the injury on the head portion or in somewhere else, and he is not able to check out through the ultrasound or some other x-rays, so then the doctor recommend the patient to go for the CT scan, and which gives a detailed knowledge about the every aspect of the mental level. So that magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, sometime you have also heard the name of MRI. In shortcut we call it that MRI. So this is also based on the physical phenomena, and we discuss it. And another instrument is here which is called the PET scan, mean pure positron emission tomography, its name, while the PET mean is the shortcut form of this. Here the positrons are involved and the laser surgeries, and you have also heard about the so many surgeries that here no cut is there, but due to the high energetic rays having the penetration power, and they go inside of the body, and where any infection or any kind of the stones are there, like the bladder or urinary bladder are in the kidney, so they are exposed to the that lights and that high energetic waves, and then they are broken into the part smaller powder form, and then they come out from the body in along with the urine. So this was the impact on the society. Now we see that what is the technology impact on the society, because the physics is connected with the technology, because physics has given us the knowledge, but technology use that knowledge. So technology impact on the society is what, that the use of the physics and information technology has improved the standard of communication, that by means of the technology, if you get the advanced, so then you are quite developed, and then economically your economically development is also concerned with your development in the technology. Mobile cell phones, hologram technology, which is a three-dimensional image, is due to the physics. And then you can see the hologram technology in latest movies, where you action movies are there, in where the three-dimensional images are formed, and the person get control their system like that. So these are all just only because of the physics. And hope this was your today's lecture on the physics and its role, and hope you will understand it. And this is all about I'm giving a review. First we discuss the physics, then its importance, physics and science, physics and technology, impact on society, technology impact on society, and this was all about your